Full disclosure, where Jim is trying to only get bleeped a couple of times an episode this year. Yeah.
Okay, I'm keeping that. So for this week on the Full Disclosure podcast, we are going to ask Jim and Elena something we haven't asked them in a couple of months, I think. What grinds my gears? What's bugging them? What's getting under their skin? So whoever's got that itch first, take it away.
Are we going to talk about New Year's resolutions?
Are we going to talk about New Year's resolutions?
That's a great question.
That's the question I think that needs answering.
I think we're way too much pressure. I think it's stupid. Like, to me, like I do get excited coming back in January. Not as excited as Jim, but I don't think anyone is as excited.
January 5th is a different level. But that's what the kids are doing at school.
Yeah, that's
And I get it.
That is golden retriever level elation.
Yeah. I'm never ready for it. Doesn't matter how much energy I have, it will not be enough to match Jim's energy. But I think too, like, it's really easy to still get discouraged when it's still dark at 5, right? It's still dark super early and all of that. So that's how I feel about it.
I think
I'm gonna try like March or something like that, or like the spring. There's like a spring equinox. I think we may do spring equinox goals.
I like that. New moon, new you.
That's really easy. Pick your favorite crystals.
I don't know. I'm gonna pick a date, and it's not gonna be January. Let me tell you.
I just think generally
I want to be cozy for 2 more months. Leave me alone.
New Year's resolutions just aren't really like implemented, and like, you know, I posted a underwear gnomes meme the other day, where it's like collect underpants is step 1, and step 3 is make profit, and no one really like they don't have a step 2, right? That's the joke, right? And I think that's how a lot of the goals work. I'm like, oh, set a goal, and then I'm just going to lose 30 pounds, right? Like, they don't really focus on input, sort of like any medium steps or anything like that. But I also think it's another example of too much kind of getting squeezed into this period of time too, especially now, like having small kids. It's like all of the holiday things, you know, because now we meet as a company in January, we stopped doing like holiday party, which I'm actually really excited about. Not that I don't like seeing everyone, but it's just a lot better and easier to do it in January than kind of like squeeze it into like one of 4 days that could conceivably work for the end of the year. So there's that. There's end of year reviews. There's all the holiday stuff. I'm going to a Friday morning kids holiday play. Like it's so like I'm excited about it, but there's just a lot of the things that get squeezed into just like 2 or 3 weeks. So I think then adding like goal setting for the new year and stuff. And I get it. It's like a very natural time period to do that, but you know, is arbitrary. Like I do kind of a personal goal setting quarterly, so I'll do that, but it's just one of the 4 times I do it every year. So
it can seem to have the effect of like write down your anxiety about yourself and then stick it on the wall so it stares at you all day. I wonder if instead of making New Year's resolutions, you know, it would be lovely to look back and celebrate things from the prior year or something. You know, practicing gratitude, things like that. It's like just ways to be kinder to yourself. You know.
Yeah, like I don't have to fail my first goal of the year by day 6. Right? Like, I think I'm good.
One of the books I read this year, it hasn't made the list yet, but it's called What to Say When You Talk to Yourself. It's all about positive self-talk. And it gave an example of like the worst type of self-talk. It's like, you're not smart, you're dumb, or like just like very, very negative stuff. But a close second is I should be blank, right? Is actually a very negative way of doing it. Or I should be working out more, I should be reading more, I should be doing yoga, whatever it is, because then you just focus on the things you're not doing, right? Is actually, I think the book that made the argument is better to say like, I'm a person, like they gave the argument of anytime you light a cigarette, say, I'm not a smoker, even though you're still doing it enough times, you'll stop smoking. It's pretty much the argument that they made, or what they said, like, I'm not a smoker. And then you go to grab that cigarette, you're like, oh, I'm not a smoker.
Yeah, you get it through your head.
Correct.
Yeah. Well, before we veer off into too much positivity, we are in the grinding gears section, right?
Yeah.
So let's pivot to snow. And in keeping with our swearing quota, our bleeping quota, are we on Team Snow or are we on Team Snow?
I love snow.
It's all good doing what you're saying.
Yeah, like it doesn't snow enough here for me to get annoyed with it, right? Like it snowed yesterday, like 2 to 4 inches, I would say, probably. Depending on where you were in the area. And I was like, this is not enough. I would like more.
Yeah, like I'd shovel snow infrequently enough that it's nostalgic and not annoying.
Mhm.
Like at this point, like shoveled the driveway yesterday.
Yeah.
And also the kids are young, so like they like playing in the snow. We made a snowman and that type of stuff. I wish I skied more than I do these days. So I would like to snow more
Fair.
because of that. I also feel like I never have enough rock salt. Now as a suburban dad, I'm like, I need more salt. Like it's not there. Like there's like the one at all that have enough rock salt. I was happy that they had some at the hardware store yesterday, right after it's notable. Everyone was trying to get some.
Yeah.
That was a win. So
That is the one thing I'm a little nervous about is right now we do live in an HMA and we do not have to shovel. And we pulled our car out enough yesterday that I did not have to. We just shoveled off our car and pulled out, which is it's really ideal. But again, like it's not that much. So like it really isn't. I promise you I've shoveled a lot more.
Jim, you're not wrong about dads with rock salt though. It's like the amount of the anxiety of rock salt is like giving like, are you planning like a slug massacre? Like what is this? You know, it's a lot.
I'm just like, are you down now? I'm like, before it gets dark and cold, absolutely not. We want to waste the salt that we have.
It's just a precious resource.
And our neighbor had a bucket of it and was putting it down right as like it was still snowing and stuff was blowing down. I was like, what an idiot.
It's not
Oh, Bobby, what are you doing right now?
Sorry, Jim's neighbor. Just in case you're watching.
Just in case you're watching this. Oh God. Yeah, no, I'm all on board for snow. Everyone, I will say my favorite holiday movie is absolutely White Christmas with the lovely snow song. I'm throwing it back to December, but
there we go. Yeah, I'm on Team Snow as well. I don't think that's far because I have 2 young kids as well, and it's nice kind of a double dipping opportunity when you could shovel and like play in the yard with your kids.
They never want to play as long as it takes to shovel though.
Mine. Yours don't? Okay. Mine have to be like dragged inside crying.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, like red hands, red faces.
Yeah.
They are just like
we're not there yet.
yeah, I lived outside in the snow as a child.
Yeah.
Lots of sledding.
Lots of sledding.
Hey,
there are worse hallmarks of a childhood than lots of sledding.
Lots of sledding. When you live in New England in the mountains, sledding is top tier. Thank you so much for watching Full Disclosure. Like, subscribe, hit all the buttons wherever you find this podcast. We really appreciate it.
Full disclosure, you're wonderful, and gosh darn it, you can make it happen this year.